So now in this lecture we are going to see illegal use of the dark web and legal use of the dark web. So with legal use of the dark web, the dark web, as we said, dark web is a part of the internet which helps a user to stay anonymous while is browsing or is doing his things. For example, example of using this part of the internet legally, for example, is in a country where they surveillance, where the government surveillance and maybe to spy and or some political issues. So the dark web is often a place for community that for avoiding those government censorship. So in order to avoid someone, even it's not a government, in order to do your things safety without someone knowing you, without someone spying you, so the best way or the best things to use is dark web and using a Tor browser, which we cover everything, how you can use, how you can download, how you can install this Tor browser, how you can set this browser so that you can be able to use it legally and anonymously. So let's go and see illegal use of the dark web. So with illegal use of the dark web, as I said, dark web give you anonymously. So with that anonymously, some people use it for illegal purpose. With that anonymous dark web gives to, with that privacy gives to the people, so in order to not be traced, in order to be to stay private, to not be traced, so those people use it for some illegal purpose and illegal profit, like buying and selling illegal drugs, weapons, passwords, stolen identity, as well as trading of illegal pornography, like children under 18 pornography and other potential harmful materials. So people use this tool because this tool keeps you anonymous free, and they access this tool to use it for their illegal purposes. So they go there and sell drugs, they sell and buy drugs, they sell weapons, they sell passwords and storing identities, and the trading of illegal pornography and other potential harmful materials. So now we have covered the illegal and the legal uses of the dark web. Now we are going to see a tool that helps us to navigate through this part of the internet, which is a Tor browser. So I hope you enjoyed this part. So if you have questions, as I said, if you have anything you want to ask me, I'm here. Please ask me. I will help you going through this course, and I will help you to understand it very well. So now let's go to our next section, and which is Tor browser.